In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Slides template. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can quickly apply a polished, consistent look to your presentation without starting from scratch every time. Start by going to Google Slides. You can do this from your browser, just like you would open any other Google app. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at a presentation window so you can see the main editing interface. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the menus appear across the top. Next, look toward the top menu bar and click Insert. This is the same row where you'll see options like File, Edit, and View. Insert opens a drop-down of tools you can add to your slides, and it's also where you'll access templates. If the menu doesn't open right away, hover for a second and then click to expand it. From that Insert menu, click Templates. This tells Google Slides you want to browse the ready-made designs that package layouts, colors, and fonts into a cohesive look. When you select Templates, a panel or picker will appear, usually along the right side of your screen. Give it a second to load, especially if your internet connection is busy. Now choose a template on the right side, scroll through the options, and look for a design that matches the tone and purpose of your presentation, whether that's professional and clean, creative and bold, or something in between. As you preview the choices, pay attention to typography, color contrast, and the variety of slide layouts included, like title pages, section dividers, content slides, and image-heavy pages. Picking a template with the layouts you actually need will save you time later. When you click a template, it will apply across your presentation, giving every slide a coordinated style. You can still edit your content as usual, type your text, replace images, and rearrange elements, while keeping the consistency the template provides. If your slides already had content, the new look will update your fonts and layouts to fit the selected design, which can make your deck feel instantly more polished. A few quick tips as you choose. Select a design with sufficient contrast for readability, stick with one template per presentation to maintain a cohesive feel, and think about your audience to guide your style. That's all there is to it. Go to Google Slides, open Insert, click Templates, and pick the design that fits your message. With these simple actions, you'll have a professional-looking deck ready to share in minutes.